Have you ever wondered how much time you lose every day on tiny tasks that never stop repeating? Copying data, downloading reports, updating spreadsheets, logging into portals, sending routine emails? These small actions quietly drain your hours and your energy. Robomotion RPA steps in to remove that hidden weight from your workflow. It gives you robotic process automation bots that take over your repetitive digital chores, even when the tools you use do not offer an application programming interface. If you have ever wished for a personal digital assistant that works across Windows, Macintosh, and Linux, this platform feels like the moment the lights turn on. You start to see how much more you can get done when the boring tasks finally run on their own. Robomotion RPA is designed to make automation possible for anyone, even if you have never touched a line of code. Inside its operating system dashboard, you can build task flows visually and let cross-platform bots handle web activities and desktop applications alike. That means you can sign into a custom portal, move through menus, collect information, export files, and prepare reports without lifting a finger. Its scheduling system lets you decide exactly when each bot runs. You can launch tasks every few minutes, daily, or weekly. The flexible triggering system gives you additional control. A workflow can start from an email, a file event, a scheduler, or a web request. Bots quietly wait in the background until their signal arrives, then complete the job without mistakes. Robomotion RPA packages keep your data safe through vault storage, where only you can decrypt your sensitive information. Everything is managed from one straightforward admin console, making it easy to organize tasks, track executions, and maintain your setup. Ready-made automation templates let you begin quickly and adapt them to your needs. Whether you work in content creation, development, crypto, or business operations, the platform offers a smooth path to reduce manual work and free your time for strategic thinking. AppSumo offers lifetime access at a fraction of the regular price. It is a rare chance to secure automation tools without worrying about future subscription costs. If you want to streamline your workflow, increase accuracy, and finally escape repetitive digital labor, this is a strong purchase to consider. Select the plan that fits your team and lock in the lifetime deal before the pricing window closes.